Hi everyone, my name is Ankita Biswas and today we're gonna talk about a very conscious and very important topic. I know that nowadays most of the people don't understand what the actually world is developing and what actually happening to this world. But the reality is that I'm just reading this book. I'm gonna show you this book. I think it's not a mirror version, so it's not actually showing nicely. It's actually the book name is Awaken the Giant Within. I didn't read the full book. I just read this much, and it's my own what. I just read this much book, like 100 pages maybe. But within these pages, I understand one thing in the life that हम लोग हर वक्त कहते हैं कि ये मेरी bad habit है. I like have this bad habit, those bad habit, and all the things. बट यहाँ पर जो टॉनी रॉबिन्स जो ऑथर है हमारी, वो सीधा सीधा एक बात कहता है कि हमारी जो हर एक हैबिट्स है, हमारी जो हर एक पॉसिबिलिटीज है, वो सिर्फ एक चीज से कनेक्टेड है. वो है हमारी इमोशंस. मीन्स you have pain in related to some habits, like if you not fear of snake, or if you fear of some kind of animal or height, like what, dog phobia or something phobia, it is also connected with some pain. That's why you're having this. And at the same time, like Tony Robbins told us that if we have some pleasure in what emotion in any work, like what, I feel pleasure when I what, dance, when I sing, and when I actually talk to you, like I made videos in YouTube. But the thing is that it's my pleasure, so it is also a habit of mine, but it is a pleasure feeling I have, so I actually addicted to this. इसलिए मैं हर वक्त ये करने के लिए मतलब कोई ना कोई तो बहाना ढूंढ ही लेता हूँ, कोई ना कोई मतलब आई जस्ट want to do it as soon as possible and no matter what. तो हमारे साथ यही होता है. अगर टोनी रॉबिन्स यहाँ पर कहते हैं कि अगर हम लोग हमारी बच्चे को या फिर हमारी यंगर जनरेशन को ये नहीं बताएंगे कि ड्रग इज बैड, when they are young, like at the age of 5 or at the age of 10, if we don't tell our younger generation that drug is bad, over social media addiction is bad, our someone will tell our younger generation, or someone will tell that kid or child, मतलब उसको कोई ना कोई कह देगा कि सोशल मीडिया इज वेरी गुड, porn addiction is very good, what, it feels some kind of dopamine. We all know that we have some cheap dopamines, we have some higher quality dopamines. Higher quality dopamines mean if you solve a math, you feel some dopamine spike, but it is good dopamine. You are doing a hard work, like after a long time you get this dopamine. But when we have not cheap dopamines like social medias, like scrolling, reels scrolling, and we see porn videos, and we see other videos, or game addiction, this is cheap dopamine. We are just getting the dopamines, not with this long term work from like short term work, or short term kind of pleasure. So यहाँ पर जो ऑथर यही कहते हैं कि टॉनी रॉबिन्स, कि हम लोगों को एसोसिएट करना चाहिए हमारी जो पेन को, एक मतलब हमारी जो बैड हैबिट्स है, या फिर जो हम लोगों को लगता है कि बैड फॉर माई सेल्फ, उसको हम लोगों को कनेक्ट करना होता है पेन जो है इमोशन उसके साथ. और जो हम लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छा हैबिट है, जो मुझे लाइफ में ग्रो करने के लिए हेल्प करेगा, उसको हम लोगों को रिलेट करना होता है प्लेजर वाली फीलिंग के साथ. Or there is only two options. If you have pain, you will have what, your brain always gonna secure you from this work. If you're feeling like I am doing hard work, I can't do it, it's very hard working, is very sweating, is very hard work, then your brain will signal you that this work is not good, this work is not good, and this work your brain will want to secure you from this work. So it is a very bad thing. But if you tell your brain, or if you practice like that,